I'm Roger Margell from Void Acoustics. I'm here at Sankey's Ibiza to fine-tune the system for tonight's party.
Hi, I'm Dwayne Lineker, the director of Ocean Beach Ibiza here in San Antonio. We have Void Acoustics as our sound system here. We've had it for 4 years since inauguration. It's been a fantastic system for us.
Hi, I'm Manu. I'm the club manager at Eden, Ibiza. We run on the Void sound system. Amazing. Super clear. The best sound I've ever.
Hello, I'm Adil, I'm a sound engineer. We have Void sound system, really happy. For a club, it's perfect.
My name's Andy Cale, this is DC10. We're in the garden area. Here we've got the Void Air Motions. They work really well out here. Yeah, we're very happy with them.
Hi, my name's Mikey and I'm the guy to blame for Wonderground. So yeah, we have the Wonder Whippy van here. We've just arrived in Ibiza with it. We're here trying to get it set up. We've got our first streams in about 3 days and we've Void down, installing our new Void system, which is going to look crazy on this thing.